Trusting generative AI with customer data while balancing the benefits of generative AI is challenging. With AI governance features, you can now build with AI safely and responsibly while realizing the productivity gains of AI. Governing the usage of AI is a challenge without the adequate tools to monitor and enforce policies. With Release 34, we have introduced the new model usage rule in code analysis that will allow you to enforce AI use policy when developing automations. The new AI governance dashboards available through ACC, the Automation Command Center, will enable you to derive valuable insights from data logged for your automations interacting with the models. This gives you complete visibility into the risk posture as you implement a responsible AI framework within your organization. Let's explore this new capability through a demo. A financial services lending institution needs to manage risk effectively to ensure compliance with the company's responsible AI frameworks as they infuse automations with AI to improve productivity. These policies require users to use only approved and vetted models provided by well-known providers such as AWS and Google when developing automations for handling customer inquiries for their insurance policies. They have strict policies not to use unapproved models within their company, as laid out by their info security and GRC teams. The company implements the policies by creating rules for usage of AI models that will prevent checking in automations that are in violation. Jake is the automation admin tasked with monitoring the usage and ensuring only compliant models are used within automations. He uses the new AI governance dashboard to analyze the usage of models within the automations, ensuring only approved models are used. Marcus is a senior pro developer tasked with enhancing the automation for the loan approval. Marcus has been busy tuning the automation he developed for the loan approval process. He learned that a new model from Amazon Bedrock, Claude V2, is now available that can be quicker and might produce faster results. However, this is still experimental and yet to be vetted by his organization. He uses this new model for one of the API tasks he needs to create using the available generative AI command package. He sees that the code is in violation. He checks all the applicable policies enforced. He reports this to his automation admin, Jake, to approve Claude V2 and add the model for use. Jake obtains approval for the model usage and updates the policy for the API task. Jake, the automation admin, has ensured only approved models are used when developing with generative AI. He has created the AI governance policy and assigned it to the folder that prevented Marcus from checking in an automation with the violation. Jake updates the policy and adds the approved model for use within automations. Marcus tests with the model now that it is approved and does a final test before check-in. Jake reviews the usage of AI across the automation estate and checks for automations that are integrating with generative AI. He reviews the models used within the automations and respective model calls along with the prompts and responses received during the automation execution. Jake has a single pane of glass view of the utilization across all automation runs through the new AI governance dashboards. Jake reviews all the models used across the automation estate and generates a report for his GRC team to ensure that they are in compliance with the company policies. Jake reviews the top token-consuming applications and drills down into each automation to review the model interactions that took place and the maximum tokens consumed respectively. This will help him better project token allocation per automation. Using the built-in analytics for AI governance, Jake, the automation admin, is now able to derive valuable insights on the usage as well as report on frequently used automations that are using GenAI models for compliance and audit purposes.